Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you are fine, you are safe and you are preparing for your upcoming examinations very well, and you are utilizing this time for your studies and other businesses also. In today's video lecture we will continue our the previous video lecture in which we discussed about the definitions of circle, what the circle is geometrically, how we define a circle. Now we will do some more definitions related to the circle. We will define some terms related to the circle, and after finishing these definitions we will do some terms which are mentioned in your textbook. So first of all, we will discuss about the chord. What is the chord of a circle? Simple. Chord. Chord is what? Have a look. Suppose we have a circle. If you take any two pointers on the circle, say point A and point B, if you join them, this becomes the chord. DE, join them, this becomes the chord. DM, this becomes the chord. 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 So chord is nothing. Chord is what? Chord is line segment joining any two pointers on this circle is known as chord. So we will write the definition: line segment joining any two pointers on the circle. So you know what is the chord. So I will again explain it to you. Suppose this is chord, is it? AB, this is center your. This is also chord. This is also chord. Of all the chords, the chord which passes through the center of the circle is known as the diameter. Of all the chords which passes through the center of circle is known as diameter. So diameter is what? It is a chord passing through the center of circle. So what is diameter? Diameter is chord passing through center of circle. So how many diameters we can draw from a center? 1, 2, 3, 4, infinite. We can draw infinite. Say this is center. There are, you have already read it in lines and angles. In a single point we can draw infinite number of lines. So in the same way, this is the point. We can draw infinite number of lines passing through this point. So in a circle, a circle have infinite number of the diameters, and this diameter, of all the chords, diameter is the chord which passes through the center of circle, and it is the longest chord of the circle. Longest diameter is another property. It is what? Longest chord. Another property, it divides the circle into two equal parts. Divides the circle into two equal parts. Remember this. So diameter is what? Diameter is a chord passing through center of circle. So it divides the circle into two equal parts, and it is the longest of all the chords. Diameter is the longest chord of this circle. And if it passes through the center of circle, I will again explain one thing here. So suppose this is a circle. This is your diameter. Say this is AB is your diameter. So AB is diameter. It means, can we say that OA equals OB? Of course we can say, as radii of the same circle, from the definition, OA equals OB. So we can here say that these two parts are equal. So this is R, this is R, so this is whole, this is D. So we can write equals D is equal to 2R, because these are equal parts. Whole is D, R plus R is 2R. So diameter is equal to twice radius. or r is equal to diameter divided by 2. So remember one thing, if you have to given a diameter, you can find the radius. If you are given the radius, you can find diameter easily. How? So if you are given the radius, multiply it by 2, you will get a diameter. If you are given the diameter, divide it by 2, you will get the radius. This is the relationship between diameter and the radius of a circle. Another definition is, another header we can define. It is the arc. You have already seen you might have seen about or heard about the arc of a circle. What is arc? Arc is nothing. Suppose we have a circle. I will explain it to you. We have a circle. So suppose this is a part EF. See. So if we cut out this part EF, take out this part EF. So this is a part of a circle. This is a part of a circle. So this part of a circle is known as nothing. It is known as what? Arc of a circle. So we will write it. This is a arc of a circle. Arc of circle. Arc of circle is what? Part of a circle. Arc of circle is what? Part of a circle. Part of circle. Part of circle. So but here, can we say that here we can get the two definitions? FE. FE is also arc of circle. FE. Is EF also a arc of circle, or FE also a arc of circle? Of course, FE is arc of circle, or EF is also arc of circle. So but here one thing you have to remember, that suppose we have here HG. We have here HG. So PQ is HG is also this is arc HG. HG is also arc. And if we I will let us rub it. HG is also arc. If we traverse from G to H, so GH is also a arc. GH is also a arc. So this arc HG, it is known as minor arc, and this arc GH, it is known as major arc. So we have two arcs. Actually, if we take any 2 points on the circle, the two arcs we can find. One is major arc, it is HG, and another is one is minor arc HG, and another is GH. So it is defined by this, by direction. So arc is usually, suppose if you are asked arc PQ, if you are given arc PQ, we will write mathematically PQ and arc. This is the notion of the arc PQ, arc GH, arc GH. This is the symbol of the to represent the arc, to write the arc of a circle. So another is, what is the segment of a circle? Very simple. Segment, these definitions you are supposed to discuss in your next classes. These definitions are very, very important. You can get these definitions also from there. So we will if you have a clear idea in this video lecture in this year, and in the next year, inshallah, you will not face any problem regarding that chapter. This chapter is also mentioned there. These definitions are also required to study there. So another definition is segment. Segment is what? Segment is nothing. Segment is a region between arc and chord of a circle. Segment is a region between arc and chord of a circle. Suppose we have a chord AB. So this is segment. It is a region between arc AB and chord of a circle AB. So segment is what? Segment is region between a region. I also expect that you are noting these definitions on your notebook. Region between, segment is nothing, region between arc and chord of circle. Chord of circle. Segment is a region between arc and chord of a circle. So this is segment AB. Can we say that there is also a major segment or minor segment? Of course, this AB is a minor segment and this BA, it is a major segment because it is formed between arc and the major arc of a circle, between chord and major arc of a circle. So we can define the minor segment and major segment. Major segment is which is formed between chord and major arc. Here major arc is BA, chord is AB, so this is major segment. Major means large. You can also say that major means large, huge. We can definitely, if you look clearly from the definition, this is major, this portion is large portion, this is smaller portion, so this is minor. Minor means small. So AB is what? AB is minor segment and BA is major segment. Segment is what? It is a region between arc and chord of a circle. Any region between arc and a chord of a circle, it is known as segment. And there are two segments. The segment between major arc and chord, it is the major segment, and the portion between minor arc and the chord, it is what? It is minor segment. This is your minor segment AB, this is your major segment AB. So these things you have to remember, you know it very well. And in the next video lectures we will do some textual questions, and later inshallah we will do, there are a lot of forms to do which are supposed to do, so we will do them also. If you have still any confusion regarding this video lecture, please let me know that I can explain it to you. I hope you will get these definitions, you will remember these definitions, you will note down these very important definitions. Thank you class.